energy to get up and over the ridge. Nice three there from the young Australian.
Well, hey everybody, good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Alyssa Andrews with another severe storm warning update for you. So the newest warning that just came out, this does include Marion, Johnson, Rush, Hancock, and Shelby counties. And this one is going to be until 4:30 p.m. It's the one I just highlighted there until 4:30. And this storm is moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. So I'll put a storm tracker on that for you and show you what that looks like. The storm moving northeast at 50 miles an hour would put that in Shelbyville at before 4:15 p.m., right around Rushville at 4:35, and Connorsville just before 5 p.m. And so what we're seeing with this storm is 60-mile-an-hour winds, radar indicated, and quarter-sized hail. And that's not the only new severe storm warning we've gotten since we last talked to you. So we do have another severe storm warning right beneath that. And this one is going to be for Bartholomew, Decatur, and Shelby counties. This one's also until 4:30 p.m. with that storm moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. So we could put a tracker on the leading edge of this storm moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. We're looking at it hitting Westport around 4:15 p.m., Greensburg 4:25, and that's what we're looking at with these two current storms. Now, the one we just cut in for a few minutes ago has been allowed to expire at that 4 p.m. mark. So that is the current warning that we're looking at right now. And another reminder that we are under the severe storm watch. And this is going to be through 7 p.m. This could be extended, but it is most of the state of Indiana and all of central Indiana. And when we look at the wind velocity here, something that we're interested in with tracking these severe thunderstorms is how this gets much, much brighter. See how the reds are a lot brighter near Rushville. And these are very high lightning count on these storms. So we're getting a lot of lightning with this, heavy downpours, and quarter-size hail is going to be the main threat with this. High winds over 60 miles an hour. And it looks like actually, this looks like a tornado warning just popped up during this cut-in. So let me put some information on that. Yeah, that is a confirmed, there's a tornado warning for Rush and Shelby counties, and that's going to be until 4:30 p.m. So what you want to do is go to the most interior room of your house right now or head to the basement. That would be the most ideal location, but the most interior away from any kind of windows is what you want to do with this. This is a tornado warning for Rush and Shelby counties until 4:30 p.m. We're going to zoom in on this, and I want to look at the wind velocity here. Let's see. Let's put on wind velocity. So we were just talking about this, how there's looks like high winds in this storm. And again, until 4:30 p.m. on this new tornado warning that just came out. We'll see if we can put the debris tracker and see if we can see anything in the air with this. So this line of showers and thunderstorms has been producing a lot of lightning, and you can see the different bright colors there. It means we could see some debris in the air, but there's going to be some hail cores that are a little bit larger, damaging winds over 60 miles an hour already that we're seeing. And let's see, I'm monitoring the National Weather Service chat, and it says the storm is capable of producing a tornado. So at 4:02 p.m., the severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southwest of Shelbyville and moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. So I'm going to put it back on our radar and show you what that looks like here. So these line of showers and storms, it has been producing, a lot of lightning with this, heavy downpours, and most of the storms, these clusters are moving northeast at 50 miles an hour, and you can just tell there's a ton of lightning with this. So if you hear any thunder, certainly go inside. We want to just keep you aware and updated that this is a very strong thunderstorm, and right now what we have confirmed is a severe thunderstorm. So we're seeing at least winds of 60 miles an hour, hail at least an inch in diameter, and this storm is capable of producing a tornado. So a tornado is not confirmed, but it is a tornado warned, this red box right here. And once again, that's going to be for Shelby. See, we'll put that information on Shelby and Rush counties until 4:30 p.m. So this is something we're going to continue to watch, but for now we're going to send you back to Gulf, and we're going to take a look at this storm and give you any updates as they become necessary. But go to any interior rooms of the house right now if you're listening to this warning for Shelby or Rush counties, and this is going to be until 4:30 p.m.
His playing companion is 2 under through those first 5 holes. What a flip.